We've heard a lot of really concerning reports, but there are three main issues that we are particularly concerned about. First, ICE agents typically show up to a home carrying what's called an administrative ICE warrant, or a warrant for removal or deportation for a particular person. Now, this is confusing because while it does say warrant, it is not a warrant in the sense of allowing officers to enter your home. In order for officers to enter your home without your permission, they need to have a warrant that's signed by a judge. If they say that they do, ask to see it. They could slide it under the door, or they could show it to the window, and you should see, is there a signature from a judge? Does it have my address on it? Does it list the name of someone inside the home? If it does, then the officers can enter your home without your permission. But if it does not, and they only have what's called an ICE warrant, you do not need to let them enter the home. Now, ICE agents could enter your home regardless of whether you give them permission or whether they have a warrant signed by a judge. In which case, it's very important to not resist, to be calm, and to remember that we all have rights, regardless of whether you have documents or not. And most importantly, you have the right to remain silent. Second, we've also heard reports of ICE agents posing as local police.
Morning, police.
So you should make sure to ask what agency the agents are from. Are they immigration? Are they your local police department? But regardless of whether they are immigration or local police, they still need either your permission or a warrant signed by a judge to enter your home. And again, you always have the right to remain silent. Third, we've also heard reports of ICE questioning and detaining people who are not the target of their visit. So this could be passengers in a vehicle or other residents of a home for whom ICE has no information. If you are not suspected of any immigration violation or of any crime, there is no reason for ICE to be able to detain you. So if you are the passenger of a vehicle or you are another resident in a home, you should ask if you're free to leave. If the officer says no, then you are being detained, and you should remember, as always, that you have the right to remain silent.